We are back in Costa Rica at Rio Perdido. It's been 4 years in the making, but I've been looking forward to coming back here. This time around I am joined by my friend Kaylee, who's going to model for us for a little bit. We have a lot of activity planned, a lot of long days ahead of us, but those are long days in the rainforest in beautiful resorts in Costa Rica. Rio Perdido Resort is a hidden gem located deep inside the rainforest of Costa Rica, where the Rio Blanco cool waters meet the Rio Perdido's hot waters, giving its guests access to a kilometer-long hot spring river. This river is so secluded that it's almost invisible, even from the sky, hence the name Rio Perdido, the Lost River. Whew. It's raining now. Welcome to Costa Rica. Since the weather was not on our side that evening, we stayed in for an hour before dinner and took photos and videos of Kaylee lounging around her bungalow. The following morning was absolutely gorgeous, so I took advantage of the sunshine and went for an early run to explore the area, before Kaylee and I had to take more photos and videos around the resort. How's your day so far?
Pretty tough.
Yeah?
Woke up super early. For a normal person, at least.
Like 8 a.m.?
Yeah.
We spent the next part of our day exploring the center bungalows, hidden deep down in the forest. These beautiful bungalows are designed with handcrafted furniture that employs materials including raw solid steel, pure copper, and fine hardwoods. After a long day of exploring, taking photos and videos, it was now time to relax a little bit and hang out with our new best friend Diego at the bar of Rio Perdido. Today we're about to go ziplining for a little bit and see the rainforest from the inside, flying with a zipline. That should be fun. Hola.
Hola, pura vida.
Buena vida. No hands! Yeah! After seeing Rio Perdido from the air, it was now time to explore it from the ground. So we met Kevin, who gave us mountain bikes so we could ride around the trails in the rainforest. It has been such an incredible experience here at Rio Perdido for the past few days. Kaylee and I were able to work a lot, create a lot of fun photos and videos, and we've been so lucky to be able to experience everything that Rio Perdido has to offer. All the thermal river, the rainforest, mountain biking, zip lining, and it is such a cool experience to be able to do that in beautiful Costa Rica. Right now we are getting picked up by a shuttle and we are going to our next location, which is Playas del Coco, where we're going to be at the beach for a few days and rest. And then boom, we're going to go to another hotel for a few days and do that again, explore some more beautiful Costa Rica. There we go. Thank you so much for following along. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps a lot. And we'll see you guys in the next one.